Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. Today we will see how this month is gonna be for our twin flames. How this January month is gonna be for all of our twin flames. Remember, this is a general read. It may or may not resonate with all of you, but if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And let's see what comes up in the twin flame read today. Oh, okay, what's wrong? Okay, so the recent energy that I see going on here is the recent energy of the divine masculine. First of all, we'll see. So we have the Strength card in reverse, we have the Six of Cups, Three of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Queen of Swords in the current situation. Trying to gain the strength, but for some reason the divine masculine is not able to get that strength. Even though they are trying hard, they're not able to accept the energy that's giving them strength. That's why the strength is not coming to the divine masculine. And we have the Six of Cups also, because the divine masculine I see here is missing family, missing the whole family time. Some maybe childhood memories, or yeah. But then we have the Three of Swords. There's some kind of heartbreak. There's some kind of not in terms of a karmic. I don't see a karmic here. I don't see any third party situations or something. But I do see that the divine masculine is actually missing the family. Maybe that's why they're feeling so heartbroken. Maybe that's why they are feeling very frustrated, very restless, and not seeing what to do, unable to find a way. And this thing is killing them inside. This thing is creating a lot of chaos in their mind. This thing is almost like the divine masculine I see is in a very terrible mood, is in a very bad mood right now, in a very bad situation also, because they're trying to gain the strength, but the strength is not coming. And then we have the Queen of Swords. So okay, so this heartbreak could be because of this Queen of Swords too. And the Queen of Swords is actually the divine feminine in the eyes of divine masculine. So the divine masculine, maybe you guys had some kind of a communication. There was some kind of communication going on, and which caused the divine masculine to feel that way, which caused the divine masculine to feel frustrated. And maybe they were thinking about this situation, that they're gonna come meet the divine feminine, but then I think the tables have turned, and now the divine masculine is actually, there's some kind of communication that took place, or maybe it's gonna happen in a day or two for the ones with whom this communication hasn't already happened. And the divine masculine is in a phase where the divine masculine is thinking, like, how rude of a person she is, how rude this divine feminine is, how rude, how cold she can be, like how maybe it wasn't an argument, it was just exchange of some words, but the intention of the divine feminine was not what the divine masculine interpreted it. Okay, let's see what comes next. For, okay, that's why the energy is so much shaken. Very authoritative personality the divine masculine is thinking of divine feminine, like she's so cold. Is everything popping up just like that? Okay. So we have the Four of Cups, the Death card, the Fool card, the Knight of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. Let me take some clarifiers here for the Four of Cups and for the Fool card as well. Okay. Please clarify the Fool card. Okay, so there's something not in terms of their love life, but in terms of the career, that the divine masculine is being offered something, maybe kind of a promotion, maybe a new job opportunity, or could be some kind of a career related thing that's gonna increase their finances in some way. But for some reason the divine masculine is not too much interested in taking the thing. They are being offered that, but they're just looking at it like, should I take it or should I leave it? Like, what should I do? And eventually I don't see the divine masculine taking this. This could have caused a lot of this could have given a lot of happiness to the divine masculine if they would take this promotion, but then for some reason the divine masculine did not take this thing. They did not, they worked so hard for this job opportunity or for this promotion or whatever, or maybe for their business. They've worked hard. I don't see business, but I do see that there's some promotion or a new job opportunity. Like they worked hard for it, and then now it was time. Now it was the time to actually get the thing, but the divine masculine did not want to take it, and they left the opportunity. Okay. There's so much of chaos going on in the divine masculine's life right now. Like every single card is a chaos that I see here. Every single card I have to clarify. Okay, when they got this opportunity, when they got this promotion, the thing that they always wanted, for some reason they were just looking at it. Maybe they were trying to analyze this whole thing. Maybe the divine masculine just wanted to see, is it actually for me or is it not? But then they were also thinking that if I take this job opportunity, or if I take this promotion, it's gonna give me a lot of happiness. It's gonna give me a lot of financial abundance too. But they just want a break from all this. Honestly, there's so much of chaos that the divine masculine just wants a break from all this, and all they want is like to go on a long vacation, or to go, as I said before, there are some childhood memories that they're missing, or there's their family that they're missing. Maybe they're living away from family, maybe they're missing the hometown. So there's something that the divine masculine is missing right now, which is actually more important for them. So that's why they were not really sure whether they should take the promotion or not, because if they take it, they'll have to work more harder, and maybe they're not able to take such a long leave to go on a vacation. And with the death card here, they are basically ending this whole twin flame situation in their mind. They are basically ending this whole um, uh, maybe they were expecting something from the divine feminine, but then whatever communication you guys had, whatever words you exchanged, uh, the divine masculine thought that the divine feminine is very cold. She's very authoritative personality. So this has also caused a lot of trouble in their mind. There are a lot of arguments going on in their mind, that they just don't want this situation anymore. There's like this death card here for the divine masculine. It's like, okay, I am not going to think about this divine feminine anymore. Like, I don't know, I don't think all this is true. I don't want to deal with this situation anymore. But then again, if we clarify the card, there's no ending to this. There's basically no ending to this energy. This all is just gonna come back. It's just the frustration that's coming for little bit, and then again this energy is there, and this energy has to come in the life of divine feminine and divine masculine both. So there's no end to this situation. It's just causing a lot of frustrations right now. It's just causing a lot of arguments, mind battles, and undecision, and they just want to step out of this situation. The divine masculine simply wants to step out of this situation. They're like, I don't want to think about this situation anymore. This is giving me too much of stress. I don't want to think about it. So yeah, so then we see that the divine masculine gets back. They get focused on their work, and the opportunity that they left behind, now they want to take it. There was some kind of undecision about this whole situation, but now they want to take the promotion or the job opportunity back, and they're gonna move towards happiness. If they take the opportunity, they are definitely gonna move towards happiness. And all this happens when they're like, I put an end to this situation. I don't want to focus about it. I simply don't want to deal with this whole situation. Then they're like, they feel powerful, that I have to concentrate on my career, I have to concentrate on my job. This is nothing, this is just a useless thing that's going on around me. But then as soon as they take the opportunity, as soon as they take this giant leap, this, let me clarify the Knight of Swords, and then I'll let you know right away. Yeah, as soon as they take this opportunity, there's a lot of financial abundance. There's a lot of things are gonna speed up in their life. A lot of whatever money fluctuations were going on, whatever problems with finances that was going on, so all that is gonna end, and there's a lot of contentment. There are a lot of pentacles. There are a lot of new plans now, since the divine masculine has this new job opportunity. They have all these finances. They know I got promoted, so I'm gonna be earning this much. Now they're gonna be making the plans of vacation, the plan, and then comes the overseas trip, or the trip, maybe they're just going to meet their family because they're missing the family so much. So yeah, so with this financial abundance comes a trip that they are gonna go, and in all this situation, from this promotion being offered to them taking this promotion, there's something that just that happened, that is actually giving them this Ace of Cups, which means that again the divine masculine comes in favor of the divine feminine, and again they think that no, this is some kind of energy that is in their life. This is some kind of energy that's actually causing a lot of, that's bringing a lot of abundance in my life. Because somewhere that I see here, that the divine masculine knows if they go away from this energy, since they did, because there was this 10 of Swords because of the divine feminine, howsoever the divine feminine reacted or whatever she said. As soon as they went into this zone, they were not able to grab the opportunity that was coming towards the divine masculine. right? And there's something very powerful because we have the high priestess here. When the divine masculine took this promotion, we have the high priestess here. So there is definitely something in between that happened that caused this divine masculine to take this opportunity to believe, first to believe on the energy of divine feminine, to believe that they are in a twin flame relationship. Then they took the opportunity, and then they are making all the plans and everything, because there's like this a happy home also. So they are planning to meet the divine feminine. So this trip is actually flying to, or wherever they're going, this is like flying towards the divine feminine. There's like the completion of this phase that they are going from. So I'm just gonna clarify this thing, because as soon as there's completion of this phase, there's this Ace of Cups, which means the divine masculine and the divine feminine, they both are ready. They both are ready for this union. So I'm just going to clarify the high priestess here, and let's see what happened from this promotion being offered to them taking it. And let's clarify the high priestess here, and then we'll see what happened in between there, because there's not too much of clarity right now. Please clarify the high priestess. Okay. Yeah, the divine masculine was not sure of whether they should go for this opportunity or not. There were a lot of delays coming. Maybe they were being offered this thing but not completely. So something was going on there that was causing so much of delay in their finances, that was causing a lot of money fluctuations in their life. Okay, there are too many cards. I'm not going to take all of them. So much of energy. It's like, it's looking like it's the full moon time going on, or the Mercury retrograde time. There's so much of intense energy. Again, it's falling. Okay, so there are two things going on here. There's not one opportunity, there are two opportunities that are going side by side. One is that we talked about before, which the divine masculine was not sure whether they should go for it or they should not. And then that time there was no other opportunity that was coming towards the divine masculine. And this opportunity, for some reason, they were not sure, because maybe it was looking very nice, it was looking very glorious, but then it was not what it seems like. They actually got to know the truth. That's why we have the high priestess. Okay, so the high priestess here, when divine masculine got this opportunity, the opportunity that was not right for them, but was looking like it's the best thing they can do, and also maybe for that opportunity they might have to, they might have to travel somewhere, like to another city or another town. So there was a movement as well, a movement involved as well. That's why the divine masculine was not sure about it. Then there were delays coming, and then the divine masculine finally realized, they finally got to know that this opportunity is not right for them. And then they went back to the empress again, because somewhere in divine masculine's mind, they know that if this energy is there, if this person is there in my life, if I stay in contact with this person, my life is going smooth. But then if I end this situation, even though in my own mind, if I end this situation, if I think bad about this situation, things don't work out that well. So this is the thing. And now they are thinking maybe the divine feminine is causing the delays, maybe the empress is causing the delays. But the divine feminine is actually helping them unknowingly. Divine feminine did pass on a message that this is not the right opportunity, something better is coming your way. Then the divine masculine moved on. Finally they realized, okay, this is not the right thing for me to do, I am going to move on, I'm not going to go for this thing, I'm not going to go for this trap. Then they think, okay, let's plan something, let's go home, or let's plan something else. Then they are thinking about moving. When they think about moving, when they meet the divine feminine, then the divine masculine is this, the king of pentacles, the king of coins. Now finally the divine masculine, after this situation, not entering in this promotion, they're gonna enter into the business. Now it's gonna be the business time for divine masculine. It's not gonna be like a job time or something, which is gonna give them a lot of coins, a lot of pentacles, because we have the ace of pentacles here, we have the ace of cups. So the divine masculine, as soon as they come into acceptance with this thing, that this energy is important for me, I need this energy, this is what they get. All their divine wishes, everything is divine, is giving the divine masculine every single thing, be it pentacles or be it the love that they want. And then there's a lot of celebrations, there's happiness, there are, and this I feel is like just the near future. This is not like it's gonna happen after like a month or so. This is like the near future for the divine masculine, because they, divine masculine and divine feminine, those divine masculines and feminines who just had a conversation which did not end very well, this is for you guys. This read is for you guys, and this is your near future. 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, but not very long time. So finally our divine masculines are coming into acceptance that this is the energy they need, this is the energy that they need in their life if they want their life smooth. And this is the energy that's gonna come in terms of the cup of love, the ace of cups, ace of pentacles, ace of cups. Perfect read. So So that was your read. Um, that was the read for the twin flames. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And also, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.